Veterinary technician. Ever thought about being a veterinary technician? Becoming a vet tech can be a pretty fun job to have. You get to work with animals and you get to help animals. You get to assist in vets and surgeries and appointments. You get to do lab work and walk dogs. You might think it might be boring to do lab work and paperwork, but there's a lot of fun things vet techs get to do. Vet techs can have a whole lot of duties around the clinic. These duties include assisting veterinarians in caring for an animal, perform initial evaluation of an animal's condition. They clean wounds, wrap wounds, check vitals, collect samples, administrate medication, perform basic lab work like urinalysis or blood tests. They get to do dentals on many animals, assist veterinarians during surgeries, restraining animals when needed, sterilizing tools after surgeries and appointments, communicating with pet owners, updating pet files and records, giving shots, or drawing blood. They also help clean up around the vet clinic and set up for surgeries. The average income of a vet tech is around $31,800. Some benefits from becoming a vet tech is that you are a valuable team member and you have a variety of duties. You also get to work in many different environments, such as outside or in someone's house or an emergency. Becoming a vet tech could be feeling a passion for an animal and that you would want to help them. Being a vet tech, you get to work with many kinds of animals and you get to watch surgeries. Being a vet tech, you can learn a lot about basic animal behavior and what to expect out of your own animals at home. To enroll in an associate's degree program for a veterinary technician, you are required to have at least 16 to 20 hours of observation in a veterinarian hospital, and you have to have high school diploma. Then you are to complete a majority of courses including animal pharmacology, animal behavior, clinical practices, animal diseases, and veterinary hospital management. Some key skills you will need to here are communication and handling animals, the ability to work in stressful situations, and a love for animals. In 2016, the number of available veterinary technician positions was 102,000 job openings. I promise you that if you go to pretty much any vet clinic around here or animal hospital, you'll find a job that they need. Positions have grown a lot for vet techs in the animal hospital over the years, but by 2026, it is believed that positions will grow another 20%, which is a lot faster than a normal occupation. Vet techs can work in private clinics, laboratories, animal hospitals, and even zoos, but this job can be physically and emotionally hard. You can end up working holidays, evenings, nights, weekends, and extra hours if there's an emergency. Vet techs work under supervision of a licensed veterinarian. Being a veterinary technician can be effective to the community in many ways. One of the ways is that if you were to find a stray cat or dog, you could take it in and get it spayed or neutered by a veterinarian and a vet tech. By getting this animal spayed or neutered, it will help to control the stray counts down. Vet techs also help veterinarians with giving cattle the vaccines so that the cattle can grow healthy and strong so that we can have them for food later on. To help yourself get ready for a veterinary technician program, volunteering at a vet clinic can really help with getting experience of the easy tasks. Job shadowing can help with more of the harder tasks. While job shadowing, you can also get more of a hands-on experience. I job shadow at my local animal hospital and I have tons of exciting things to watch and learn. For example, I've watched a dog's eyeball being removed because it had a tumor on the inside, and I've learned how to hold a dog and restrain him during an examination or appointment. I have helped with a couple of cattle appointments and helped listen in on small animal appointments. I've held many dogs for the vet techs here in Ellsworth. Becoming a vet tech is probably one of the most funnest jobs I've ever heard, and I can't wait to become one myself.